Take one.
What up, though, you guys? Do it over. Yeah!
What the fuck? Hope-a-dope intro, final cut.
Are you sure? Quarantine. Day. Who really fucking knows? You've watched all that porn. You've drank all that booze in your cupboard. You smoked all the weed you can smoke, and now you're hungry as hell. I mean, like, really hungry. So what do? I'ma teach you how to make sushi. Are you ready? Anybody who knows me knows I love Japanese culture and Japanese food. So let's get into it. All right, you guys. So we are here in the kitchen. It's time to get into it and make this yummy sushi. First, you're gonna need sushi rice. This is the brand that I like to use. I can't pronounce it. Don't ask me to. What you want to do is you want to take 1.5 cups of sushi rice. You want to put it in a nice bowl with some cool water. Let it soak for like 15 minutes. I already did that, so it's already been soaked and it's in here. You want to fill up a pot with 2 cups of water. You want to let that boil. Once that stuff starts boiling up, then you just gonna throw your sushi rice in there, girl. Do what you got to do. It's simple. Now I gotta read the directions again because I'll never remember how I'm supposed to cook this shit. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes or until moisture is observed, period. So we're gonna cover that. We're gonna put it on like low, let it simmer. Just simmer it. Fish simmer. Fish simmer. It's simmer. Okay, you guys, so we've got our sushi rice in the pot. We're gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna turn this down low. Now, let's talk about the rest of our ingredients. You're gonna need some rice vinegar, some sesame oil, some wasabi peas. You'll find out about that later. Some ponzu sauce. This is my journal. Little sesame seed, wasabi, some cucumber. Don't be doing no cucumber challenge. This is for real consumption. 1 carrot. Our meat, we're gonna be using shrimp that's already cooked and raw salmon, because you know, I like it raw. I'm a savage, so classy, bougie, ratchet. So you just wanna take just like any end, maybe the thickest end. The thickest end is easier to do, and you just want to rip it. Just tear it up. Just pulling this back like some, like a turtleneck. Pulling it back like the foreskin of a man's turtleneck. It's a quarantine. We gotta preserve our meat. You feel me? No scales on there. All right. Now, we're gonna cut her in half. Like so. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. I'm so hungry. And we're just gonna cut it into, see how thin that is? So fishy. Like some of you ladies on that time of the month. You feel me? Okay. This wax paper is becoming a nuisance, but you know, we gotta keep going, you know. Don't use wax paper. You know, we're experimenting, we're learning. Don't use wax paper. So, we have finished slicing our salmon, bitch. We're gonna take some sesame oil. We're just gonna pour the rest of that in there. And we're gonna need a little bit more. So I got backup. You know, stay ready. That way you ain't gotta get ready. Sesame oil. Yo, I love the way sesame oil smells. Like, bro, I'm so hungry, nigga. All right, ponzu. I like ponzu because it's kind of like soy sauce, but it's very citrusy, and I love that citrus. That's it. That's all you got to do. Mix that up a little bit. And we're just gonna let this sit. You just let it sit in the fridge for like 30 minutes. You just let that bitch sit in there and just get sesame, ponzu the fuck up. All right, we're gonna put her in the fridge. BRB. Okay, we have a carrot that I peeled. I'm just gonna cut the head off, cut the end. We don't need that. And then I have a really fat cucumber. And we're just gonna slice her up like so. And you wanna keep the slices pretty thin. Oh my God, I almost cut my freaking nail, girl. That would have been the OV. These press ones were a little cheap. I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry. Cameraman, can you zoom in on this? We want it about that thin. You see that? It's lit. I'm gonna eat this too. No, I'm gonna save it. All right, now with the carrot, I'm gonna move that aside. Now with the carrot, you wanna do pretty much the same, but you want it to be, like, you want this carrot to be super thin because carrots are thick. What is that? Now I asked him to silence his phone before we start filming. Insubordination. That's coming out your check, sir. All right, so that's pretty thin. All right, I forgot to tell y'all, but this is very important. You're gonna need avocado. It's an avocado. Oh, and I'm about to show y'all how I do my avocados. Y'all ready? So we slice her in half, take her out like this. I'm just gonna show you. Oops. That was horrible. One more time. Okay, that was terrible. Okay, see, it only works when I don't. See? That's how you take your seed out. And then we're just gonna slice our avocado. Slice our avocado. Slice our avocado. Ooh, ooh. We're done with the veggies, so we're gonna set that aside and we're going to phase, I don't know what phase this is, phase 4. All right, guys, so we have the avocado and you wanna take your spoon and work your way up in that thing. Yeah, scoop that thing out, slap it on that board. It's time to make some goddamn sushi. I'm so excited. We got our salmon. She's been marinated. I took the liberty of crushing some wasabi peas that we'll use at the end. You want to take your rice vinegar, put it in a nice bowl, and this shit right here, nigga, it's that sticky, icky. Okay? So, the rice vinegar helps keep your hands nice and clean. All right. You're gonna need some sushi nori seaweed wraps. I got this from the grocery store and it's organic because I'm fancy like that. So let's get back into it. Rice vinegar. You want to get your hands all up in there. You're about to take a bath. We're gonna take a nice little palm full of sushi rice and we're just gonna lay it down. And you want to work really quickly and keep dipping your hands in that rice vinegar before you start playing with your sushi rice, okay? I like to use all my fingers. You don't want it to be a super thick layer of rice. Thin is in. So you don't want to leave any gaps in between, if that even makes sense. I don't even know what makes sense anymore. You want to leave some space in between carrots. Just lay it down. Just bring it down. Avocado. This is what separates the pros from the amateurs. I'm a pro, and I roll hella blunts. So mama don't need no help rolling up. You feel me? And it's easy. All you do is you take your seaweed, you take it to the end. You want to use your fingers and tuck that in there. Make sure everything is nice and tucked. You see that? You see that right there? And then we're just gonna roll her. You just roll her up, nice and tight, like a blunt. Yes, I want a blunt now. There we go. And you just kind of want to press it so that the end of it seals like so. The moment of truth. I'm gonna take the one out the center because that's probably gonna be the prettiest. Look at her. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, it looks so good. And again, you just lay it down. Now, you want to take your seaweed and you want to flip her. There we go. She's flipped. Now, we're going to take some more of that beautiful salmon that we marinated earlier. That wasn't Corona, me sniffing. That was just me sniffing. We Corona free over here. Attempt. This is very preschool looking. Learn from my mistakes, okay, you guys? Sprinkle half. We're gonna do a little half and half. And we're gonna sprinkle the other half with wasabi peas. What the fuck I do with that knife? Be gentle, don't break it. That doesn't look bad. That looks good. And in the palm of your hands, you just wanna make a cute little oval shape. I don't know what to call this shape. What should we call this shape, Dan?
Almond shape.
Almond shape, thank you. Dip that finger into that vinegar. Get this a little wet so it'll stick. And you just use that to wrap your shrimp in place. There we go. Hey you guys, my silly self deleted the sushi reveal. So I have to refilm it. I have to show you guys the finished product, and I have to remake the sushi. So I gotta go get more sushi rice because I ran out. Oh my god. A bitch should not struggle this hard to put on a goddamn glove, but here we are. 6 motherfucking feet. Or get cussed the fuck out. Bounce that ass, huh? Bounce that ass. They found it. It's the best fucking chips in the world. If you don't agree, suck my dick. All right, you guys. Here we have it. Our sushi. All rolled up and ready to eat. Yes. I am so excited to try this, you guys. I already put a little soy sauce on most of these pieces. Gotta have my wasabi. I am a huge wasabi fiend. Yes. Try that one first. Mmm. Mm. Mm. That is really, really good. Whoever said not to put carrots in sushi, they didn't know what they was talking about. You feel me? So hot in my mouth right now. Mm. So good. All right, let's try this. I really hope y'all enjoyed this beautiful video that I put together. If you really enjoyed this, please give this a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys want to see me do more videos like this, I can really cook anything. So just let me know in the comments section what y'all want me to make next, all right? Thank you so much. See you guys soon. Bye. Stay safe. I want a spliff with a little bit of coca, someone call up Lowry. We don't turn up at my crib, cause the last time that we did, someone called the farm on me. Can't stand the people down the way. Man, they so fucking lame, they the first 48. Detroit bitch in your face.